Good evening, everybody. This is Karina Homme. Welcome to the Azure Government Meetup. This is our June meetup. We're talking today about the future of IoT and edge computing in government. So thank you for coming on board and joining us for the Azure Gov Meetup. For those who love posting on social media, our hashtag is hashtag Azure Gov Meetup. So a little bit about ourselves. My name is Karina Homme. I'm a senior director at Microsoft, also a founder of this meetup community. I'm part of the Azure Government Engineering team based in DC. And then Vishwas Lele, he's a CTO of AIS, also a co-founder of this meetup community. So we definitely welcome everybody and thank you for your time and sharing and discussing this topic with us. We're very excited to have you with us. So why are we here? We're very excited. Our community is, I think, I haven't checked the numbers, but I do check often, 3,400 members strong. We've been going on our 4th year of doing monthly meetups, and we have a community that is really growing, and we're very excited about that. So we really wanted, when we started this out 4 years ago, wanted to create a community of practitioners. So a place where we really can talk about our lessons learned, what are the capabilities, the latest and greatest capabilities of the platform, what are the big use cases we can find in government, what are people doing in the government industry space on Azure and in our partner community. So really want to showcase that innovation and have that conversation with you. So and I ask about this in every meetup. If you have any great ideas or want to contribute to the community, please let us know. Also, we're always trying to expand out, so please share this meetup with your colleagues and feel free to post on social media. We have all our meetups already lined up. We used to meet in person, but given the environment, we are now virtual meetups, and I appreciate the participation. We're actually seeing kind of a growth of meetups virtually. We do plan to go back in person when we're all safe and allowed to do so, but we are enjoying the time together virtually. So we have July already lined up, July 22nd, August 26th, and September 30th, and so on. We are developing those topic ideas right now. We've got some on ATO, AI, etc. Again, if you have a speaker in mind or you want to add to those topic areas, please reach out to me. My email is right here, khomme@microsoft.com. Really appreciate all the volunteers. All the speakers today are volunteers, and it really adds a lot to this community. So thank you for everybody joining and those participating today. We like to kind of just give you kind of a cheat sheet of all the updates of all the events. Inspire is going to be virtual, so that's July 21st, 22nd. Check it out. There are also a lot of advanced courses in Azure that are available. These are the links if you're interested in building out your skills. Check that out. We also have a blog that we'd love for you to visit if you really if you want to understand all the updates on Azure, Azure Government. We've had a lot more services rolling out with our commitment to parity, commercial parity across all our clouds. So we have 14 new services, FedRAMP High, which is always something great for us in this government community when we get to that kind of accomplishment. And then we thought it was just right to talk about what are the announcements around IoT, given our topic tonight. So check out all these new announcements around digital twins, Sphere, IoT Hub, etc. We're going to talk a little bit about ARC, and we have a lot of updates around that. So we'll be ready for your questions, especially as we go through some of these newer product announcements and whatnot. So check out our blogs. either the Azure Gov blog or the Azure blog to know the latest and greatest on what's going on with our product. So with that, I don't want to eat up too much time on introductions with all the great content. Again, I want to thank all the speakers who've come tonight and really prepared their lessons learned and contributing to the community. We want to thank you for your time. So tonight we have this great, what you need to know in 20 minutes on Azure Edge. The team actually said, wow, we usually spend like an hour and a half or more on this topic. 20 minutes is condensed. They'll send you their contact information, and there'll be plenty of resources if you want to talk to them later. In addition, I encourage, like in any of these presentations, if you have questions, please send them an IM, and we'll try to address them during our presentations, and/or we'll IM you back. We're going to have a demo on Azure Arc. Which is really, we have a lot of new announcements and as it relates to IoT and Edge. And then a great panel discussion with Vishwas and Jim. And we're going to, there, of course, please welcome any questions and whatnot. So with that, let's start with Azure Edge. What do you need to know in 20 minutes?